Public anger has erupted in Laugang ADC Village and the Karbook R.D block following allegations of substandard construction on a major concrete road project. Local residents have demanded an immediate administrative inquiry into the poor quality of work. Local residents alleged severe compromises in construction quality after a major road retaining wall collapsed in Laugang ADC Village under Karbook R.D block. Poor execution of essential culverts and drainage systems, paired with the lack of administrative oversight, has resulted in widespread structural failure and deep potholes within just a year.
Akiro parani tudi ke matang no ha.
Parani tudi ni mulai mak.
Mohon rairia.
Mohon rairia na.
Bunang lai bipen.
Kita nong to para to nong tuya suhan situng nai bosi situng nai. Mungkin bola madui number ke kunang tak ni. Mungkin ni ingkau lek mak cung mutong lukur mak kau sang.
Akila marot akang ke ya. Paya pavo. Kaca kanang tung ya to obai pai no matang tung ha.
Abjing kena lama tang pun tanya pun cik mana.
Lama bukti ma. Hai ni ma lai thang ke bakari thea se kro tak sapu wa ya. Aru pai pai no tong pai tu mo.
Bos pai. Pai me la de pai.
Pure report, Chini Khorang.